Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how does profile views work on TikTok. If you open TikTok and navigate to your profile, you'll notice a small icon located in the top right corner. When you tap on it, it will display your profile view history. According to TikTok, only you can see this information. It's private and accessible solely to you. The list shows anyone who has viewed your profile within the past 30 days. However, there's an important detail to note. Only users who have enabled the Profile View History feature in their accounts will appear in your list. If someone has turned off this feature, their profile views won't be visible to you. This means the list is limited to people who have opted into the feature. For demonstration purposes, my account doesn't have any data here since it's not active. To summarize, this feature is private, visible, only to you, limited to the past 30 days, dependent on whether other users have enabled the feature. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.